In this help video, I'm going to show you how to manage your inserts. We'll start by navigating to the book plan, and we'll go to the Edit Plan Details. We click on the Edit Plan Details, you'll see the Insert tab at the top. If we click on the Insert tab, there's a couple of different options that we have. We can add an insert, we can manage our inserts, or we have insert actions, being able to remove inserts that are already created within our publication. In this issue, I already have two blow-ins that are defined. But let's spend a minute to show you how we can actually set up an insert template and then use that insert template to place it within the issue. First step would be click on Manage Insert Templates. Gives you the ability to set up a new template. We're going to call this, this will be our bind-in template. And I'm going to choose bind-in. And if you see, we have lots of different types that we support. So bind-in, blow-in, offset, paper wrap, poly wrap, tip-on. We can really manage or set up any type of insert, as well as a custom insert. So anything you can dream up, if you just choose custom, we can set up the parameters for that certain insert that's going to go in. But let's make this one a bind-in. We'll make it a 2-page. And if we say save, it allows us to actually put some additional information. So important thing, obviously, when you're doing some management of mailing, as well as your weight and the dimensions of the book, we fully support custom stock. So for this particular bind-in, I'm going to make this my custom stock. I can select that it's going to be included in the weight of the book and count it as an ad or not count it as an ad. So you can set these up to be custom calculated in any way you want. So once that template is set up, I simply go back to my inserts. I go to Add Insert. And we'll call this my new blow-in or bind-in. We'll choose where it's going to go. So in this case, we'll go ahead and put this in Signature 3, position 35. And you'll see now that I have that template available to me that I just set up. If I choose that template and say Save, it will create my new bind-in based upon all the metadata that I set up for the template. Very easy to do. Now, one key thing we should also talk about, and not sure if you've gone through the help video for managing regions, we can regionalize anything within your publication. So let's say that within this book, this new bind-in, we want this to go into a certain region. We can choose that this is going to go into the East region and actually manage it on a per region basis. We could also add it to actually additional regions where it's going to run in multiple. So we've got a very simple way to actually manage the regionalization of anything within your book, whether it's an insert, it's a page, it's a section. You can manage those elements and the regionalization of those elements on an individual basis.